The Free Fall Velocity Interactive Calculator solves kinematics problems for objects in free fall under constant gravitational acceleration. Let's explore the input fields. First, you'll see a calculation mode drop-down menu with 6 options: calculate final velocity, calculate fall height, calculate initial velocity, calculate fall time, calculate gravitational acceleration, and calculate velocity from time. For this demonstration, I'm selecting calculate final velocity. Next, we have initial velocity v0, where you enter the starting velocity in meters per second. Then fall height h, the vertical distance in meters. Gravitational acceleration g, typically 9.81 meters per second squared on Earth. The calculator also shows final velocity v and fall time t fields. For our worked example, I'll input initial velocity of 10 meters per second, fall height of 10 meters, and gravitational acceleration of 9.81. After clicking Calculate, the results show final velocity of 14.007 meters per second. This represents the object's speed after falling 10 meters from an initial velocity of 10 meters per second. The calculator also provides an impact energy factor of 20.00, expressed as v squared over g, which helps assess the severity of impact. This tool streamlines your free fall calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.